Hi guys, is it about time to sell your car because it suddenly started making weird noises? Or perhaps you've taken it to the mechanic and it'll cost you more money to repair it than what it's worth? What if we tell you you can get rid of a car with a simple call, since we buy cars as is? Here at JunkCarBuyersRUs.com, we are a company specializing in the purchase of all used vehicles and junk cars. There is no need to stress out when you need to get rid of a car. Our friendly team is waiting on your call or text at 713-454-2715. To speed up the process, please have 3 to 4 photos of the vehicle you are trying to get rid of before calling us. Our reps will request them to give you the best accurate quote. Get cash for junk cars spot plus free towing included today. You can also email us at carbuyerhoustontx@gmail.com. Call us at the number below to get a great deal and relieve yourself from that non-running vehicle.